fucking hit the microphone. Can you believe it? Oh! This fucking microphone. I couldn't talk. What the hell? Whew. They're straight up on fire. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what to say. They're really fucking on fire. Oh my god. Okay, let's just stand back a little bit. Okay, so we started with the fucking heavy riff and heavy guitars like always. It reminds me of a song called Blood Eagle, or some parts of Hell Below. Not that, but yeah, mostly Blood Eagle. And to be honest, so far is fucking great. Let me don't waste any time. Let's fucking play this shit. Oh. Yeah, you better laugh. What the fuck? What was that? Did he actually just scream? Fucking scared, bro. What the fuck was that? Holy shit, Mansour. Okay. It's not even a chorus. I fucking hit the microphone. Can you believe it? Oh shit. And I fucking hit my mouse into my keyboard. Better calm down. Okay. Holy shit. How did you fit the drums in that corridor, by the way? I think it's better be chorus, I think. Yeah? Weird chorus, by the way. Not weird, but different. And we had some little slower bass drums with some just hitting crashes. some offbeats in the middle, you know. And my webcam crashed. Really nice. Yeah. You want to know? We're back online. Let's continue. Sorry. Okay, here we go again. Is it Periphery? Or I'm listening to fucking Meshuggah? Fuck. It's fucking Meshuggah. I fucking love you guys. Give me some tom-toms. Give me some fucking flow-toms. Building, dog. Bro, I couldn't even fuck the fucking video clip, by the way. I was just straight up headbanging. What the fuck? Okay, let me go back again. This part actually reminds me of the song called Reptile, if you heard it. And it's a kind of a reptile vibe. I really love it. Some heavy riffs with some melody under it, and the drums just hit the kicks with the fucking riffs. All the way with the fucking China. Perfect. Chorus again. My neck finally rest. Is it finished? What the fuck? Why I'm hearing some fucking jazz music? Are we drinking cup? Oh, maybe not. Champagne is the best way to do it. Are we actually watching the fucking making of the video clip on the fucking video clip? Oh, fuck. What are you doing to me? Why? Okay. It was perfect, bro. Fuck you, Periphery. I love you. Just give it to me. Fuck. My heart is beating fucking fast right now. Oh my god. What? I don't know what the fucking... Fuck. I cannot speak. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. To be honest, I don't know what to say. There's nothing to say, it was just a straight banger. From the fucking start to the fucking end. Oh my... Fuck, man. I'm really excited for this new album. I'm really excited for this new album. Fuck it. See you on the next video.